ISOKO Wado, greetings to you, everybody. This thing when it dey happen for ISOKO land now, I don't like am. I don't like am. The thing dey vex me. Keme Owarena. The way we take dey do our burial for ISOKO, normally no be so e dey again. Why? Epa na are rugo dey for ISOKO ogberere eme ojabo no jere ni. If ISOKO very meriano na etene are rugori na 4 days we dey do burial for ISOKO land. The 4 days, so 1 day now for the main burial. The rest 3 days, 1 day, which is the last day, on your radio again, is the final burial day. The rest 2 days when you did the middle, so now that day you go pick for in-law greeting. But nowadays, I know they see the day when they do in-law greeting again. Efo Gerano, if Albo Gege Najo Wugori, Ayeri Najo Wugori, I don't want to get it. Stop him, musician. Musician stop. Family want to do in-law greeting. If I tell you now, why it be like that? You not tell like that for ISOKO. You not tell like that. I see they talk on. I wanna be our papa. Wanna be traditional leaders. I mean, whatever. Now they spoil the culture and the tradition of ISOKO nation. So now they spoil in the next generation to come. We not gonna know the culture and tradition of ISOKO again. Binu revete no. Are kuke go. When I go to the in-law come from one far. Which in-law come from far place? If ISOKO people go that side go marry, not be the way they go do now. I will go do for that side. So why be saying they marry for ISOKO here? They not go do the way they do for here. Now where they do marriage, where they do burial, now there they do in-law greeting for ISOKO land. Shebi na be our papa. Where they say na put in those days, that's all ISOKO culture and tradition day. Now the one that they do and now so the ISOKO culture and tradition day. When on a change, if I don't change, I'm gonna tell us our children know ISOKO culture and tradition. When it comes to marriage right, we don't change them no. Now like this we they do and now. Hell, we go understand. But I never tell us like that. That thing no work. If ever, I so holy, I swear die, a bed and I tell what in a dead and I would in a future. And I would also the mushroom that feel, and I would in a mushroom that bossy. No, not a vegan. It's a joke, boyke, okay. Okay, I just tell what in a auto, era way. Ere ajerwe uje neteno aje rugodi na novokyoke de etefani etena eye gona ire fiata eveti feni chokona ino soso otare gona iwi rorofu aru yoyovo kare toletofo aigbobi no matter how the many rich na that day they go do inaugurate and the thing that they write and put for the IV so day for the burial, so day for the wakekeeping, so day for inaugurating, so day for the last burial day, the last day of the burial, which is no, we should go say no, there's so day for Thanksgiving. Not even concern Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving church people they do all those ones. Not be culture, not be tradition, be Thanksgiving. That one we are like do like now, not do. But the normal 4 days, no they do one. Then no, they can another say no, they don't matter. Or they got another toffee or another sabu no they to Gagana. I got a say, I want you to so come on and they do our culture right. You think they vex me? Ila when he come from another place, now 7 in the shoot. 7. Then the Ila when he come from the community, now 3 that they shoot. But now, not they see them again, and not they shoot again. Now, so ISOKO culture that day now. If we don't change the culture, when I tell us we don't change her, and I don't change her, make we know. Ole, why is a man in a barrel? No, I be learning. Body arena dua. Wabedi I luhana. Ebe when you yes your ISOKO na. My man and I'm be not as na. Makino mabe rudegele na mabe na lumudo motwa wa be po ma edere no kiere edere no gba wa be po ma ye ha wa bi so ma to isuto uwo ma ha Edejo ihe sebo na etere ogwura wa wojo na be gwe ara na ze na te gwura we na dede yo yi. The my go dey. Uruwe mwe na wa sieba. E ma na re ru ve wo e fa na ru evi soko wa ruwe ruo. Wa gba jobo gege na jo rebel e jo ru ilo greeting hi. ISOKO culture not dey like that. Feast a day aside for your in-law greeting. That is ISOKO culture and tradition. Not be saying that when you do burial for them, you just stop musician say, musician stop. They don't do in-law greeting. They don't do in-law greeting for where they do burial. Not be that day that they do in-law greeting. In-law greeting na another day that they feast, they do in-law greeting for the 4 days when they say they do burial so. Yes, na so ISOKO culture and tradition dey. Una not change am. If una don change am, una let us know so una don change am. But na dem no dey change that thing. Don't do this thing when they shoot so. 7 for outside that, 3 for with people especially when you come from the place. Na 3. If you be the in-law say you come from that place, na 3 that na you dey shoot. But if you be outside when you come marry for that place, for that community, na 7. Na they shoot. You do sure? So, I know me say vina na gba flene. Go isi agware. Oi. ISOKO na great land. May na not spoil am for us.